Boom, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Showbiz. Gundamentals is official. We're on our set. Gundamentals, I'm on my set. It ain't us because I ain't got no co-host. If you think you're dope, you want to be my co-host, hit me up in the comments, man. We'll come talk about it, chop it up, talk about your favorite gun, my favorite gun. We'll go shooting, we'll go looting, shooting, hooting, pooting, all that fucking Yosemite Sam shit. We're going to do that together. I need a co-host. Let's have a meeting. Let's talk guns. Let's talk funds. Let's share some 101. Let's talk about EDC. What does that stand for? That stands for everyday carry. So when you see somebody talking about what's your EDC, they want to know what your everyday carry is. My EDC, my loadout would be my Glock, my phone, my car keys, my wallet, you know, the shit I got in my pocket, in my bag, what am I moving around with? We're going to talk about loadouts. We're going to talk about your loadout, my loadout. You can go in the comments and let me know what you carry on a daily basis. Like I said, Glock 21, one of my favorites. If I could only have one, would it be this one? Oh, probably. See, I used to not be a Glock fan. I used to be a straight 1911 Springfield, Kimber, and everybody had Glocks. It was like Glock was a thing to get. So I said, you know what, fuck it, let me give me a Glock. So the first Glock I ever bought was a Glock 23. We're gonna talk about that gun. And when I learned the Glock system and the Glock trigger and how the Glock works, this became one of my favorite sidearms is a Glock. And you're gonna be seeing a lot of Glocks on this show. I have every Glock they make. We're gonna talk about the model numbers. For example, this is called a Glock 21. This is chambered in 45 ACP. But no, this is not called a Glock 45. Don't say no dumb shit like that. A Glock 45 is the 9mm Gen 5. It's called a Glock 45, not because of the size of the bullet. The number 45 is Glock's 45th patent. Glock 19, that's Glock's 19th patent. 17 and so on, the 23rd patent. So that means Glock has 23 items that are patented on that 23, and then the Glock 30 and so on and so on and so on. It makes you wonder, if there's a Glock 23, that's their 23rd patent. What's their 24th patent? For all we know, it could be a magazine. You know what I mean? Because the next gun they came after, the 21, was a 23. There's actually a Glock 19, which is 9mm. There's a Glock 20, which is 10mm. There's a Glock 21, which is 45 ACP, I'm sorry. Then there's a Glock 50. And actually, believe it or not, the crazy part about the Glock 21 is I can remove this top, I can remove this slide, and I can replace this with a 50 cal slide. And this would be a 50 cal Glock. A lot of y'all don't know nothing about that. We will show that on this show. And we're gonna show you the different power, recoil, effectiveness, distance, all that shit, man. Like I said, this is Gundamentals. We're gonna talk about, I say guns, tons of guns, loads of fun, lots of 101. Obviously, this is just a practice reel. First time in a new set, we don't know what the light looks right. If it makes my diamond bling, it looks right. Look, how many people know got a diamond in the back, sun rooftop, dig in the scene with my gangster link? Yeah, got the diamond in the back. That's how I identify my guns, man. Because this is a pretty motherfucker, boy. Like I said, Glock. It's very heavy. This isn't something that you probably carry in the summertime. Although I can carry this in basketball shorts in Miami with some flip-flops on, and you won't even know I have it. I don't know if it's because I'm a big dude or if I just know how to carry guns and I know the right holster. That's very important too, the holsters. We're going to talk about different holsters. As a matter of fact, we're going to talk about outside carry. We're going to talk about inside the waistband, IWB. So if you're ever looking for holsters and you're looking for inside the waistband, it's going to say IWB, inside the waistband. And you're going to see OTB, outside the waistband. That's your typical police-style holster that everybody can see you got a gun. Not a smart idea unless you're out on the ranch, out in the woods, and, you know, whatever. But I wouldn't recommend you walking into the local gas station with a gun on your hip. These days, number one, you don't want people to know you're the one carrying because you're going to be the person to stop the threat, hopefully, if something happens. Number two, these little fuck boys might slide it behind you and pull your gun out your holster, use it on you and rob the store and kill you and everything. So, shit, not only did you contribute to the robbery, you gave them the weapon. So your best bet is to carry inside. And for me, it's a lot more comfortable, man. You know what I mean? I know there's a saying out there, and, you know, my dad used to tell me, he was a police officer, he used to tell me good guys don't hide their guns, so why are you hiding your gun? But we live in a different world now. So it's something that concealed weapon means concealed. And there's a lot of places you may go to. For example, Georgia's we carry guns around here. So you might go to places and it says on the door, no weapons allowed. That's not a state law, nor is it a federal law. That's just a law that that establishment has. So if you can get in there with your weapon concealed, it's more power to you, because I goddamn sure will have mine in there. You ain't gonna catch me in no restaurant sitting there eating dinner, enjoying my Friday night with my family, and I don't have a Glock tucked off in there somewhere, just in case one of the short order cooks get mad and hate his job and want to come out and fuck us all up. I'm gonna say, sit down, get down. It's gonna be slow motion like Soulja Boy. Then I was like, and then I was like, pow. You know what I mean? That's what we do with the Glock. Matter of fact, the Soulja Boy, when they kicked his door in, this is what he had. Soulja Boy had a Glock 21. Soulja Boy, if you're watching this, comment on here, holler at me. And we're going to talk about your shooting and how that Glock 41 devastated them niggas, boy. But that's what this is, baby. The Glock 21. Like I said, I'm just rambling now, talking shit, trying to figure out this whole YouTube world. But you know, man, I'm not a YouTuber. But I do love guns. I know there's a lot of people out there that want to hear about them and they want to fuck with them and talk about them and see them up close if they never had the opportunity to see this, you know what I mean? I even recommend, like, if you're shopping for a gun, you know, go to your gun store, one that has a range, and chances are most of the guns that they do sell in there, they have for rent as well. So you can actually rent different guns and go in there and shoot different guns and see what you're more comfortable with. Not everybody's gonna be comfortable with this. Believe it or not, if you have short, like I have Fred Flintstone hands. I got big palms and short, fat fingers. So my fingers don't reach all the way around. I could touch like this. And some people say that's comfortable because you got to put your other hand in there when you're actually holding that gun. You know what I'm talking about? But my 9s and my 40s and other guns, I can actually get a full touch my fingernail on it. You know what I'm talking about? And then my wife she's taller. She has long, thinner fingers, so she can grip this bitch, and she thinks it's comfortable. She loves this gun. Cool part about a 45 is, because it's such a heavy gun and a big bullet, it doesn't kick. It doesn't give you that same, it don't give you that. It gives you more of a, it comes back on you because of all this weight. That's the good part about it. You can carry a big caliber, like a 45, your gun has to be equally weight and balanced. You can't have a little short, little baby snubby gun with a big round like that, because that bit's gonna snap, it's gonna hurt your wrist, it's gonna hurt your hand, and it's not gonna be comfortable for your follow-up shot. Your first shot, yeah, boom, oh shit. But when you gotta go boom, 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 when you gotta get to it, you better make sure that gun's comfortable and you can actually follow up on them shots, or you will have a bad day. Especially if you're out there fucking with me. Then again, you might not have a chance to pull your shit. No, I'm just talking shit. But yeah, folks, man, this is, like I said, this is a good gun, Glock 21. I really fuck with it a lot. I'm actually carrying this today. One thing about me and Gundamentals, I'm letting you know now, I'm going to show you a whole fuckload of guns. And one thing about this show that's authentic is the guns that I show you, I actually use these guns. I carry these guns. I shoot these guns. I clean them. I work with them. I fuck with them. I'm always playing with my guns. So I'm not going to sit here with no brand new gun out the box that never been shot talking about this is the Glock 21. I'm going to show you some shit that I fucking carry. You can see the wear and tear from the holster, from my pocket, from my however I'm carrying it. This is an actual duty gun in the Gundamentals world. When you see me pulling up in that Hummer or one of them vans or that Benz, trust and believe one of my friends is really close to me, probably biting on my ass because he's ready to go rah, rah. That's one of them right here. I haven't named this one yet. Y'all go ahead and give this one a name, and if it's dope enough, we're going to name this gun. And we're going to put it on the wall right here. And then one lucky subscriber might win this gun if you're in a motherfucking state that allows guns. So anyway, like I said, man, we're just fucking around. I'm glad you tuned in today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, click the notification button so you can get more Gundamentals and more hot shit that I'm going to be talking about, because I'm bringing you the pain, man. Get loaded today.
Get loaded today.